بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The Honorable President, the Honorable Chief Guest, the Honorable teachers, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
Now I am talking about our madrasah education system. The story is very glorious. The need for madrasah education was created by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When the Holy Quran is to him, the subject of the teaching are the Quran, the Hadith, the Bangla, Math, English, and general knowledge. The madrasah name is Attaqwa Modern Madrasa. It is a big madrasa. It has 100 students and 6 well-trained teachers. It has 6 classrooms and the office rooms. Our madrasa is the best madrasa in this area. The result of our madrasa is very good. I am proud to read in this madrasa, which are not getting to visit also. So I personally request to our guardian to visit our madrasa and educate their children in our madrasa. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
আল্লাহু আকবার।